Hello, my dear lovely children. A happy morning, everybody. I'm so delighted to welcome every one of you for today's learning session. And I am here to give you a recapitulation as well as the best revision for formative assessment 1, which we are going to conduct very shortly. So that I request every one of you to give your concentration and take proper revision and pay little attention and go on working. So definitely okay, you will be shining in the exam. So dear children, please understand and act accordingly. So far we have discussed many number of topics related to grammar, kinds of sentences, subject and predicate, parts of speech, subject complement, object complement, direct object and indirect object, okay, and parts of speech. Every individual pillars of parts of speech like nouns, types of nouns, pronouns, types of pronouns, adjectives, okay, types of adjectives, types of adverbs, and even verbs, transitive verb, intransitive verb, okay, helping verb and action verb, okay, like that. If conditional clauses, punctuation, so on. We discussed a number of topics. Okay, now I am trying to present the question here, how the questions will come on the exam. So I will try to guide you properly. You please give me your attention and go on watching all these videos from Monday to Saturday and try to attend the Zoom interactions so that we will have a very clear cut discussion. So those discussions will help you properly, rightly, so for better score. So dear children, and very first, so this is revision time, revision from Monday to Saturday, revision. Now let me present a topic called, for example, kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. Dear children, in the examination, he will not put any titles or headings. Okay, and these questions come from, are taken from the topic kinds of sentences, or if condition clauses, or tenses, or parts of speech, nothing. So 25 questions will be arranged orderly, and below that multiple answers will be provided. That's all. Okay, because this is a formal discussion, I'm trying to keep the heading right. So dear children, actually we have 4 types of sentences. Basically we have 4 types of sentences, but in modern English 5 types of sentences. But anyway, let us learn all the types. The first one is assertive sentence. The other name for assertive sentence is declarative sentence or affirmative sentence, which begins with a capital letter and ends with full stop, whose structure is subject, verb, object, or subject, verb, or complement. So begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Whereas the second one is interrogative sentence. Interrogation means asking questions. So an interrogative sentence is a sentence which asks or which makes a question. So we have actually 2 types of questions, WH type questions and yes or no type questions. Okay, do you like sweets? Can you solve this problem? Will you go there and help her? So these are yes or no type questions. Whereas, why are you late today? Why are you late today? So why didn't you watch the videos regularly? So when will you meet me? So these are called WH questions. And whereas the third one is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a sentence which makes a command, an order, a suggestion, an advice, Okay, a threat, something like that. Okay, this sentence begins with a direct verb and ends with a full stop. Okay, for example, for example, stop talking, listen to me, don't shout, stand on the bench, open your book, verify this word in a dictionary, consult a teacher, so leave the classroom, go out. So these are, all these expressions begin with direct verb. And the last one is exclamatory sentence. Is a sentence which expresses sudden strong feelings. Okay, wow, what a beautiful idea. So what a tall tower it is. What a dangerous snake it is. Oh, how lovely it is. So these are, expressing sudden, strong, surprise, wonder, amazing, etc., etc. And the final one is optative sentence, which expresses a wish, greeting, etc. For example, when somebody celebrates, happy birthday. So we go and wish them happy birthday to you, many more happy returns of the day. So may you live long, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, these are all greetings and wishes come under optative sentences. So previously we have discussed, but how the questions will come in the examination, I am going to present on the board. You please check it. See, dear children, okay, and how hot it is. Simple sentence. How hot it is. Below that, identify the sentence, in the below, options. Identify the type of sentence. Identify the type of sentence. The first one is, imperative sentence. Second one is exclamatory sentence. Third one, interrogative sentence. Fourth one, assertive sentence. So now, if you study the physical, what you call features or something traits, begins with a capital letter and ends with an exclamatory mark. Is an exclamatory sentence, very simple. A sentence which ends with a question mark is an interrogative sentence. That's a secondary. Either WH question or yes or no type question, leave it aside. But a sentence ends with a question mark is called an interrogative sentence. Easy. Okay. A sentence that ends with a full stop, we have actually, we have to be very careful here because two sentences end with full stop. One is assertive sentence and second one is imperative. Imperative. So I told you already, and it begins with subject, verb and object, begins with a capital and ends with full stop. It begins with direct verb. Direct verb and ends with full stop. Okay, right, this is the way questions will come. And now let me go for the next question. Next question. Okay, can you jump over it? Can you jump over it? Yes, identify the type of sentence in the following. So again, assertive, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. So ends with a question mark, very simple to identify. So this is called an interrogative sentence, very easy. Okay, next one. Please help me. Please help me. See, this is very short. Please help me. See, now here begins with a direct verb. Direct verb. The word please indicates a requesting word. It's a requesting word. Help me is the base word. So help is the verb, main verb. It's an action word. So that this is what you call is an imperative sentence. An imperative sentence. It creates some request. Someone is begging or requesting to do something. So this is what you call is an imperative sentence. This is the way, my dear children, this topic will be very easy, okay, to identify types of sentences. Now, shall we go for the next topic, or do you want still more sentences from this topic? So very easy, don't worry. Okay, now let me go for the next topic, that is parts of speech. Parts of speech. So words are, divided into different parts of speech according to their function, their usage in a sentence. So they are 8 in number. They are called nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, interjections. Okay, right. Now I'm trying to write the sentences on the board. Okay, in the given sentences, the particular word will be underlined, and he will ask you, name the parts of speech for the underlined word. For example, dear children, yes, 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 yes. For example, see here, Stella took her cat to the park. So this is a nice sentence. So in this sentence, certain word will be underlined, and he will ask you, name the parts of speech for the underlined word in a sentence. So now here, what is the word underlined? Park. So park is what? That is actually place. But a specified name is given to that place. For example, this is also place, or this is also building. This building is given a name. What is that? School. Okay, the same building, in case films are showing, then what do you call it is? It's a film theater. That name is given to that building or that place. So certain name is given to that place is called park. So names come under nouns. But now here options will be given to you like this. Adjective, option A is an adjective, option B is an adverb, option C is a conjunction, option D is a noun. So what is that? This comes under noun. Okay, next example please. For example, we often talk to ourselves. Okay, this is, now see, the underlined word is ourselves. Name the parts of speech for the underlined word. Again, okay, conjunction, option A is a conjunction, option C is an adverb, option A is conjunction, option B is an adverb, option C is an adjective, option D is a pronoun. So how do you decide? So which parts of speech it belongs to? So here ourselves is the word that is used in the place of somebody or something. So we talk to them, we talk to students, we talk to our friends. In the place of friends or in the place of somebody, this word is used. So that a word that is used in the place of somebody or something is called a pronoun. So the option is pronoun is the right answer. Okay, right. And the next one is, my dear children, for example, the lazy dog sat on the rug. See here, the underlined word is lazy, and again options will be provided. So what is lazy here? The word lazy describes clearly about the noun dog. So what kind of dog? Lazy dog. So it describes clearly the quality, the characteristics of the noun or a pronoun. So describing words are called qualities. Qualities are called adjectives. What is that? Adjectives. So here lazy is called as an adjective. Right. Now let me go for the next sentence. Next sentence. Okay, he will meet you now. He will meet you now. So the underlined word is now. So what is now here? Now refers time. Now refers time when the time when the action is done. So the word now refers time. Okay, so that this is now name the parts of speech. Again he will ask you. Okay, option A is an adjective, B is an adverb, C is a conjunction, D is a pronoun. So this comes under an adverb. An adverb is a word when the action is done, where the action is done, and how the action is done. So this is simple. So dear children, we have given you, detailed notes, sent to your address. Once again, please verify everything and go through all these examples, okay? And nothing will be given out of the notes we sent to you, okay? So take preparation very seriously. Everything will be given from your material we sent to you. So that's it. And don't feel suspicious. Anytime you have a doubt, and you can directly call to our teachers. We are readily available, and it's our pleasure and honor to help you and to explain you. Okay. Now let me go for the next example. They have they have 10 pens. They have 10 pens. So the underlined word is have. So name the parts of speech again. He will ask you. So have is actually what? It's a position. Have, okay, that refers position. So they, people, refer people. So what do? There is no action here, but it refers some position. So this is what you call is a verb. It's an action verb, it's not an action word. Okay, it's a being verb. It's a helping verb that refers something they own, something they possess. Okay, right. Okay, likewise, and let me present one more example, my dear boys and girls. And they ate, they ate and drank. So the underlined word is and. Name the parts of speech for the underlined word. Okay, conjunction, adjective, adverb, preposition. So it is actually, okay, these two actions are combined with a word. So ate is one action, drank is one action, the both are combined together with a one word is called conjunction. Conjunction means it's a connecting word, combines two words or two sentences. Two words or two sentences is called a conjunction. So option A is right. And the next one is bravo. Bravo. What a six. What a six. So the underlined word is bravo. Bravo. Sometimes, stunning, unbelievable, incredible. In the fraction of seconds, some actions happen. So hardly we have time to even notice. Bravo. So it expresses some strong, sudden feeling. This is what you call is an interjection. But an option is in order to confuse you, he will give you conjunction, interjection, preposition, and noun. So that leads to confusion. So this is what you call is an interjection. So this is the way, my dear children, options will be provided, somewhat tricky and sometimes leads to confusion. But until or unless you have very clear-cut knowledge about the topics we discussed, I don't think you can do it easily without any preparation. If preparation, With preparation, definitely you can do that. So dear children, hope you understand very clearly about the topics we discussed, and in the further classes, the next classes, we shall make a discussion in detail, and thank you all very much. Meet again.